Alrighty, everybody, welcome to session 2 of integers. Now, yesterday we explored the fact that integers go positive and negative, and we actually said an integer is a whole number. Hopefully you understand that, unfortunately, things like a half, things like 0.1, any decimals, any fractions, they are not integers. Get rid of them. Boo! Bad. Not integers. Yeah, an integer is a whole number. That could be a positive number or a negative number. And today we are going to manipulate a couple of things and show you what the sheets are today. So first things first, our learning intentions are having a look at integers in context. So actually in real life situations, we use a lot of negative numbers in temperature, for example. And all you need to do with this sheet here is put the temperatures in order. And then over here is decide which is a lower temperature. That's similar to the activity we did yesterday. So hopefully you can work through that. The one thing that we're going on to is this one here. And it's having a look about addition and subtraction of negative numbers. We're just having a look at questions here to have a think about what they are doing. So temperature rises by 15 degrees. So seeing that rises by 15, so it's going to be something plus 15. That's going to be our question, plus 15. And it says, what is the new temperature? So it equals something, and it rises from -4. So it's going to be -4 plus 15. Now you can use your number line for this. So again, with all questions, let's say it was 4 plus 15, you go on your number line and go 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15 would be 19. But because it's -4, you actually start in the negatives and you're just going to use your number line to count up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, so I've added 15 to -4, and it's got me to 11. Which would be the first answer, okay? So when we're adding things on from a negative number, it's actually going in an addition way each and every time. So -4 plus 15 would get you to 11. So I'm going to write 11 just there on my sheet. 11. Perfect. All right? And actually I'm going to lock that in. So a reminder, making sure you're locking that to your sheet so you can group that together. So I'm going to click on 11, click on the sheet, and group those together. Excellent. Let me get rid of this one. All right, the next one. The temperature falls from 11 to -2. So it starts at 11. Yep. And it gets to -2. So the equals is -2. Okay? So it's going to be a subtraction, and you're just working out this lovely question mark answer here. So it's gone from 11, it's now at -2. Okay, now when you're subtracting, of course, you're moving down the number line, you're getting lower and lower. For example, if it was 11 minus 2, you just go down 2, 1, 2. But this is 11 minus something to get to -2. So let's do it. 11 to -2 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 is the answer, but I'll check that in a moment. So I'm going to put 13 just there. 13, lovely. Let's put that on the line. Now, let's just remind ourselves that if we can check that, let's pretend for a second we're checking that by looking at 11 minus 13 and seeing what answer it is. So 11 minus 13, what does that equal? Reminder, a minus always goes down the number line. So we're going to go 11 minus 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And we got to -2. Perfect. Alrighty. Use your answers and have a go at working through all of those questions. Okay? If you're not sure, message me. I'm online. The second little bit, just to have a look at, is this sheet here. So that's your next stage. Okay, and this is a bit of a trickier challenge, okay? You're going to answer these questions and have a think about it. You might need a bigger number line, or hopefully you can work it out in your head. The first question I'll do with you, because it's going to be setting you up for the rest of the questions. It says 10 minus 45. So 10 minus 45 will definitely get us into the negatives, because 10 minus 10, 10 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Gets us to 0, but we've still got another 35 steps to go backwards. So it's definitely going to be a negative number. So I'm going to put negative in our first. That looks like a dot, but technically speaking, it should be negative. So I'm just going to zoom in here, and you can always zoom in each time. So negative, and then it's going to be, technically speaking, because you're going to do another 35 steps, it's going to be negative 35. Oh my goodness, Mr. Todd, type correctly. If you use typing, that'll be even better, but I'll just write negative 35 in. All right, that is the answer to number 1. Because it says across, it's going to be all the across ones. And when it says down, that's all the down ones. So here, have a go. Really important that you challenge yourself with this. And I'll put the answers up online a little bit later. Okay, now this is a tough sheet, so you're having issues, don't worry, it is a tough sheet. Have a go with both of them and send them to Seesaw. Good luck. If you haven't already uploaded to all of our Google Classrooms, please do so now. I'm waiting to see all of my students in there as well. Thanks, you guys.